Hello Prime Coders, welcome back to Prime Coding channel. I am here with a great news which is Infosys Wintership 2025. Yes, you heard it right. If you got the specific mail in your mailbox, congratulations. Otherwise, I will tell you. And yes, it is direct joining opportunity. Now you might think, Aditya, we have not applied and we have not submitted our resume. So how it would be a direct joining opportunity? I will be telling you. And at this video, it would be a complete guide what all you need to do, how this internship will begin, what happened in this internship, everything. Okay, so let's start this video. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing us, which will support me in multiple manners. Okay, so yes, in yesterday or day before yesterday, multiple people got the mail like this, which is, dear candidate, greetings from Infosys. We pleased to announce that you have an opportunity to participate in Infosys Wintership 2025. So Wintership is an Infosys holistic training and internship program designed to facilitate learning among all selected candidates. Now, you got the word selected candidates, which will tell you the meaning of direct joining. Yes. Now, in recent months or current also, Infosys is hiring for system engineer role and multiple colleges are eligible for this opportunity and multiple people do get selected on the position of system engineer on or in Infosys company, isn't it? So the candidate who got shortlisted are eligible for this particular internship opportunity. Yes, you heard it right. Now, it may be you have received this mail, otherwise there are chances that you have not received this mail. So if you received the mail, please let me know in the comment section with timestamp, because mentioning timestamp will highlight your comment when people are on this specific timeline. Okay, so write the timeline, mention it, yes, I also get the mail. Otherwise, mention a timeline or tell I didn't receive any mail. Okay, so that your peers can help you out if you have not received, or if you have received, you can ask your peer what would be the next follow up that you have got. Okay, so during the internship, there will be on campus training session followed by evaluation to assess the student performance. Now, as you can see, on campus, which means you need to go on their specific center, let it be Meso, let it be anywhere. Okay, but typically it is in Meso only. So performance, the internship program will also allow student to work on project which is curriculum requirement and receive guidance from project managers of Infosys. Beside that, student will receive basic training to manage project complexity. See, I believe, or most of the tech people also know, that Infosys training program is one of the best training program in India. But their qualifications are also unique. You need to pass the training test, then only you will be allocated any project in the company. Okay, so yeah. So kindly note, the program is only for the candidate who have been selected for the role of system engineer by Infosys through campus recruitment process. Now you might think the people who applied in off campus, although I think they have not published any system engineer role off campus, but yeah, if you got shortlisted in on campus opportunity and your college has good relations with Infosys or multiple, most of the colleges are eligible for this particular internship if you got shortlisted. Okay, so yes, duration would be the 18 weeks and mode of training will be on campus Infosys Meso Development Center. Now, wherever you are, you need to appear here to pursue your training program. Okay, so yes, the stipend would be 10,000 per month for the duration of the internship. As you can see, it is 18 weeks. An intern who join Infosys will undergo only 2 weeks of training as opposed to regular 14 to 16 weeks of training. So if you joined as a full-time engineer, instead of having 14 to 16 weeks of training, you will only have 2 weeks of training at that time. Okay, so intern who complete internship program will get priority joining for the full-time employment as system engineer. And it would be great, guys, because when you join as a fresher in the Infosys company, let it be for any profiles, you need to go on intensive or a great amount of training period. And if you got cleared, like there would be a test after the training program, which is not that easy. You need to pass the average marks. With the average marks or more than average marks, then only you will be getting the full-time opportunity. Otherwise, you need to go through the training period again and write the test again. Okay, there are some specific T and C of writing test again. Okay, so yeah, please, if you are getting this opportunity, you need to be very thorough. And let's check out the next page, which is about the eligibility. If you have a bachelor's of engineering, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, now BCA people, you are not eligible. If you got shortlisted as a system engineer, still you will not receive this mail because you are not eligible for this profile. Students who have been selected by Infosys through campus recruitment from the following discipline: computer science and computer technology, information science, okay, artificial intelligence and data science. As this is being bolded, which means there are high chances you will be assigning to this specific projects, and you will be getting more information of AI and the data science, DS. Okay, the prerequisite is Infosys Wintership is only open for the student graduating in 2025 and have been selected by System Infosys as system engineer through the campus recruitment process, which is totally clear. Okay, so now the thing come here is prerequisite, which I said, and the student should complete. Okay, and the student should complete the 5 study courses basics of IT at Infosys Springboard before joining the internship. Great, like they will be providing you some Infosys Springboard, which multiple people know it is a platform where multiple courses are there, which you need to pursue, and then they will be calling you for a internship. So you will be required to be Infosys campus throughout the duration of internship, as this is an offline internship opportunity. You are expected to make for your own travel arrangement to Mysore. It is on you. Company will not reimburse your whole expense, so you need to take care of it. You will not be allowed any between the internship. Now, internship will be starting from 20th of January to 27th of January 2025, and preference in the survey will be going to accommodate. So this is the survey link where they will asking you multiple things, like 11 to 12 questions would be there about you, about your semester and about your starting semester and your preference. Everything will be taken in this survey form. So survey form interest checks only. Survey form is for the interest check only. Final shortlisting will be done based on profiles, like whatever profiles that you are submitted to Infosys on the time of registrations, or it maybe they are taking the resumes through survey form. But yeah, you need to be very care about it. Okay, so now you might think, most of the people do tell me, Bhaiya or sir, I have my final year project with me. What will happen with my final year project? Guys, these things are very typical. Okay, you can ask your TPO for this particular thing. Your TPO will make necessary arrangements, and most of the time, if you are pursuing any internship opportunity, you will be getting good amount of relaxation from your college regarding your final year project or something. So you will be on board by Infosys because Infosys is a part of your campus recruitment, right? And if they are providing something to their students, then definitely your college will support on that now. Okay, and any of the comment that you have or any of the doubts you have regarding this opportunity, do comment down below. And I believe if you join this, and definitely you should join this opportunity, because nowadays people are sitting in home, they are not getting the opportunity, and in this time you are achieving this opportunity. Please join it without wasting time, and join the Telegram group, guys, because there you will find your peers who qualified for the same role, same opportunity, so that you can make peers. Now you need to be accommodated on Mysore, and you don't know about the places. If you're coming from outside, you can make a group, you can club together, so that you will be having your peers there. As well as if you're looking to have one-to-one mentorship or one-to-one guidance. Okay, mentorship is different and guidance is different, as well as a mock interview is different. So the links would be in the description. We have more than 98% success rate. If you believe, we have people who got shortlisted multiple times in as a TCS Prime, Accenture, Cognizant, Capgemini, and much more. For that, if you want to transform your interview opportunity into the offer letter, please visit www.primecoding.in. Okay, this is the platform will change your life like anything, and will meet you with a new video soon. Comment down any doubts if you have, share with your friends so that your friend will also know about internship thing. Okay,